Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. In today's video, we will provide you with some basic advice on how to improve your Caleña Salsa skills. Salsa Calena is a style of salsa dancing that originated in Cali, Colombia. We will cover important aspects such as body movement, footwork, the distance between the dancers, eye contact, and other tips that you can use to impress your partner. Join us as we learn the art of dancing Salsa Calena as a couple. So, let's begin with the basic movements of Salsa Calena. As a female dancer, the main focus is on moving your hips, while for male dancers, it's all about moving the shoulders. This is what makes each dancer's styles different. We can start with some simple steps, with women focusing on moving their hips and men on their shoulders. We move our hips like this, hip, 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 hip. We can also do this with a partner, moving in sync and following the beat. Hip, 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 hip. Let's move on to the second tip, which is about maintaining the appropriate distance between the dancers. Unless it's a really slow song, we can't dance too close, but we can't dance too far apart either, as it would hinder us while turning. So it's very important to maintain a certain distance, something like this. You can use a tile on the floor for reference. For instance, we can do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 step while maintaining this distance. Now, let's talk about the importance of eye contact. This is a crucial tip, as some people may not like to look at their partner in their eyes when dancing. However, it does create a connection between the two dancers and unites them during the dance. The final tip we want to share with you is crucial for learning any dance genre, whether it is salsa, bachata, or any other style. To become a skilled dancer, it's important to listen to different salsa music at home and pay attention to the rhythms, instruments like maracas, bongas, and güiros. This will help you develop a sense of timing and distinguish different dance moves. It is crucial to practice a lot, either with friends, a partner, or by yourself. Going out to practice and attending classes with a teacher is key to improving your skills. By keeping these tips in mind and practicing regularly, you can become a confident and skilled salsa dancer. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more dance tutorials. See you next time!